Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to assign user to a permission set in Salesforce. So let's proceed and firstly discuss what does we mean by assigning of a user to a permission set. In Salesforce, when you assign a user to a permission set, you are giving that user the additional permissions and setting defined in the permission set. It is a way to manage user access and assign different permission sets to different users based on their needs instead of their profile permission. So let's proceed and discuss how we assign a user to a permission set in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce org. So our first step is to log in into our Salesforce account in a Lightning experience as an administrator. Once you log in your account, your next step is to check whether you are in your Lightning experience or Classic one. If you are not in the Lightning, shift your org to the Lightning one. And most probably, you will be directly to the home page that is visible on your screen. So if you are on that page, you need to click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that and then you have to click on the setup option. Now it open up in a new tab and it take you the home setup page. And if you are already on that home setup page, you don't need to follow up with the gear icon step. Then you directly need to search for a quick find box that is located on the left hand side, and here you need to search for the permission set in the quick find box and it you show the result for it. So enter the permission set in the quick find box and here you can see the permission set is present under the user section and you need to click on this permission set. This permission set redirect us to the permission set page where you will get the list of all the permissions set in the Salesforce, either it will in a custom one or the standard one. Now it's time to choose the permission set to whom you want to assign the user. So this time I am going to select this faculty manager. So click on this faculty manager and it take me to the page faculty manager permission set. And here on the top I have a button of a manage assignment. So click on this button. This manage assignment will redirect us to the next page where it show about the current assignment. Till now we don't have any assignment in it, and on the right side it give you the button add assignment. So click on that button and it show me all the users in the Salesforce. Now it's time to choose up the user to whom you want to assign from the list. For example, I choose this user and I give the checkbox given next to the name, and you can see that it show the full name, alias name, username, role, and active status and the profile also of that the user. So okay, then you need to click on the next button. After clicking on the next button or setting up all the user, it will redirect us to the next page where it asks you to select the expiration option for assign the user by default, and it's set to the no expiration date, and you also specify the expiration date if you want by simply clicking on the checkbox, and it has by default option 1 day, 1 week, 30 days, 60 days, and a custom date. If I select on the custom date, you can also assign that by clicking on that. It show you the calendar. You have to choose date from it and you can also set the time zone. Next, you have to click on the assign button. So I click back to our no expiration date and then click on the assign button. Now it show you that the one assignment was successful, that it is assigned. Now last you have to click on the done button that is placed at the bottom of the page. Click on the done button. Now it take back to you the current assignment, and here you can see a user is assigned to the permission set in Salesforce Lightning. So with this we have learned how we can assign a user to a permission set in a Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.